Okay, so I'm going to show you how to replace the heater element in the Platinum Plus S8T262 by GHD. Okay, so what we usually do first is check the wires. You just use your tweezers, give them a gentle pull. If any are broken, they'll just come straight out. So okay, I know this heater's okay, but I'll just show you how to test it. So with your multimeter, I usually go for continuity on the fuse. It's done. And then on your ohms, your two middle ones, 545, that's fine. Okay, so to open it, take off the two silicone grommets, a little pen knife. Then if you just slide it, it comes off. Get your little knife and just lever it down. It comes off. Using the knife, you're just keeping that end of the thermal fuse on its contact, saves bending it. Okay, so you take it off. So to replace with a new one, you can use some of our thermal compound. Comes in a little tube, and just put a very small amount. You don't need a lot at all. It's fine. Get one of our replacement thermal fuse fitted heaters. Stick it down, give it a little slide up and down. Make sure you've got a V in the middle there. I'll show you why. Because on the backing plate, there's a little V, and that it's got to go there. Silicone cover fits on the top. Backing plate. Make sure that the fuse is fitting inside in the groove, so it fits in that part there. The wires are either side of the V. Click down, check your edges, and make sure it can move. On your metal clips, because you've pulled them off, what I tend to do is just close them so they're tight again. The arrow bit faces away. That's one on. Same with this. Put your little grommets in. It's always best once you've done it just to make sure everything's fine. So your two middle ones, 521, okay, and continuity on your fuse. Yep. So that is your Platinum Plus S8T282 fitted. Thank you very much for watching.